In the big relief to residents of Sendra, Leikai, LDA and relevant authority have started the work of removing Phumdi, the floating natural biomass which had engulfed the water body in and around the locality. LDA has deployed ambitious excavators to remove the Phumdi above water body of Loktak Lake. Speaking in this regard, the villager of Sendra, Leikai thanked Principal Secretary A.K. Sinha and LDA Chairman and Director Ngangom Sanajauba for initiating the Phumdi clearing work and for understanding the plight of local villagers who have been facing various problems, including water scarcity, health hazards, owing to routing of Phumdis over water body. On the other hand, Assistant Engineer of LDA Ramananda said the work to clear the Phumdi got delayed as there were no machines, but with the deployment of ambitious excavator, the problem will be sorted soon.
Hindada tari ba yumsing zigi lay ba maningi Loktak area sing se phum na loin question dana loin khumjan gi danung sa mangan phang dana apum ba ising manam nam thi bi ising oina khoina season na rame ba manam nam thi bi dana tan ising ji u da thaure ka dana u da yamna tan ba adu season na da ya da mina khoi season na ba ising phata ba dagi sandor ko makal makha gi leina ka yama mai khoina thengna raga la e ba si mayam je kui na thengna raga lak pa dagi LDA department gi principal secretary amasung director da khoina sengdok pi ona haija ba dagi makhoina khutak ta thabak ta onthok pi rak dona sengdok pi rak pa dagi ai khoi je husik si yam Ising apaba jo season naba phangani aduga Sendra city prime tourist destination oibanina pichibi gi mafam khuding maktagi lam koiba lae aduga makhoi da su phajaba nungai ba miyeng view du uba phangani masi punamak phangan bagi damakta principal secretary amasung LDA director bu aikoina hanana thagatsa
aikoina hana tawang amdaba jingkhong jingya sumbasi mayamnadi sengtopi di haibako aduga mesil changwa yadabanina aikoina changma ngamdadana sengtokleram boto koigi anoba amphibious excavator haiba ani khak koigi lawjik thongojik suriba pose si leibadagi di hariba mayam pami pose kona sangaga sengokpa ngame